So, so today we are working on. What are we working on?
Car.
Car, the vehicle, the Expedition. We have an '07 Ford Expedition, and we pulled in here, and all of a sudden, I could smell something sweet, but I knew it was car related, and it's not brake fluid because brake fluid smells like chocolate, but it was kind of like that. I was like, I don't know. Brake fluid reminds me of chocolate for whatever reason. So anyways, we got to looking, and it was antifreeze, and the pipe literally broke in my hands. This assembly here was inside our Expedition. It's the heater hose. I'll show you where it goes when I move it in. And I've had to replace this before because it busted, and maybe I should have replaced the whole thing, but nothing bad came of it. And so I was in there, and this coupling here is split, and that's where it was leaking. I could squeeze the big hose and it would breathe. You could see it blow bubbles. So I reached out to touch this. I was showing my wife, showing Leah, and I touched it, and it just broke like this. I was like, oh, and it's next to this coupling and these weird hoses, and so I just went ahead and bought the new piece, and I'll show you a link to a guy. I'm not going to try to take his, it's amazing, but he showed me how to quick detach these. Quick detach, and it is so easy. So I will show, but I'll give a link to him because I want him to have credit. This pipe goes inside here, and if you pull on it like this, it's not going to come apart, and you can see. This is what he says. It's not going to come apart because of the quick detach. But there's enough room inside there for that to go all the way in, and then this part to come around it, because the diameter of the nipple, the pipe, is way smaller. So instead of squeeze, because what I did the first time was I squeezed on these, I pulled on it and squeezed on them, and like that, and it doesn't work. But if you push them in like this, squeeze, and so on the truck I could actually hear them click. Then they just come right out, and this stays attached to here. It's beautiful, amazing. So I don't know if it's the right thing, but we're just going to leave the old quick detach pieces on. So let's see. Looks like this one. Oh boy, that's hard to reach. So we're going to put this one on first. Okay, hop out of the way. Turn it off. Hop out of the way.
Okay.
So down here is our next heater hose. And let's see if we can. So there you can see that clip right around there. And we'll get it where to go. There's that. So that needs to be turned a little bit more. Go. And then here, and we're ready to attach that. I'm going to put this one on.
If I can. Yeah, we're working on the car.
Oh, sit on the battery. You get that stuff in your pants and ruin them.
I can't get comfortable.
Well, do you want to put the pad back up here? Hey.
There we go.
Wiggle it. Nope. Nope. Good. A little bit more.
It's hard because there's nothing to hold on to.
So we got our heater hose all working really well, and the repair went great, and so we're finishing it off, and we're going to show how the engine runs really well. We're going to start it up and see. One thing is snappy and popping. I don't know why. What? How's it feel?
Good.
Any leaks?
I don't think so.
All right, good. Thanks for all your help.
Welcome.
So we're gonna set up a photo here, and I'm gonna hold this like this, and then I'll try to. Oh, man. So we got this. Got this hose here, and we're trying to set this up, take a photo, and up.
Stop rolling off. Like the 100th time.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and it'll help us with our videos.